record och share. Okej, jag tänker vi avslutar det här chapter och sen kommer vi att och sen kan vi lägga till en extra lektion sen bara. Okay, so yeah, by the way, like we have review sessions and then we have practice sessions. Like the review sessions will be easier and easier and shorter because yeah, clearly like there will be fewer things to go through. The practice sessions will be longer or will take up more time, which is nice because then we can get to actually practice. And it's important now that we have so many concepts we want to practice ASAP. So to not forget. Okay, this is good as well. Give the number, like the number of the sequence. This is very good. So again, you said first you start with 我今天, so me, today, and then you do homework. It's also very important that you said, yeah, to do homework. Yes, to do homework. No, ignore that. Or you can say, today, I. So it's good that you know how to differentiate, that you can use both of them. And both of them should be in the beginning. In English, you can say maybe, I did this today, but you never want to say, I end with today, like in English. 明白吗? 明白吗? 好的.
明白.
好的. Erase the character that is not necessary. You're wrong here. It should be this one, if you want to. So it should be 不明白. Oh, but. Sorry. But it's. Sorry, very confused person. Yeah. Oh, but okay. Very nice. So you erase the K here, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can say 不要这个 K. 好的。
不要这个 K. Okay. So 不要这个 K.
不要。It literally means 听不懂. Ting, it's important because it doesn't really just mean hear, it means to listen. It will be important later because when you learn how to say to hear, you have to say ting and something else.
Okay.
Okay. We'll talk about
noted.
But the rest was good. Like I just want to.
So it's more listen, don't understand.
Listen, I don't understand. Yeah. Ting不懂.
I've
gone through these, that's fine. Here, you should be able to look at this and say, no, this is the wrong character. Can you see?
Yes, I can see.
But you can also look at it, because this is, if you start understanding what the characters mean, or the building blocks, then it's easier to understand. What is this building block here?
It's re.
Yeah.
So they.
Yeah. And here it's man. Yeah. So this is the 做 from what 做? 什么做?
什么说?
I can say
so from
什么? What is this?
是
就是什么? But then I said 这是什么做? Which, sorry. Here, now it's just, what is this? But if we say, what is this 做? What is this character 做? Then I say 这是什么做? So yeah, what is this 做 character?
Booming by. I don't remember. So
there's only 做 from like 昨天, which is this, or there's 工作, which is like work or make. This, so this 做 can be like work or make. It's the 工作.
Okay. 工作.
Now, on that note,
工作.
I would like to say that it's the 工作的做.
工作的做.
You understand?
Yeah.
It's a 做.
Yeah. 是什么说? 工作的说.
Yeah, 做, not 说.
So
Very good, very good. But you said it
这
perfect.
是什么说？工作的说。
Yeah. So if I ask you, 如果, no, sorry, yeah, you don't know 如果 yet. If 我 I ask you, 这是什么做？那你可以说 then you can say 那你可以说工作的做。
工作的说，那你可以 then you can.
Yeah,
Is
那
that
说
那你可以，
那你可以
那你可以 That's very cute.
I said
那你
说
可以
I said 说 as well. Here. 那你可以 but then I also said 说。
那你可以说then you can say.
那你可以说
那你可以说工作的说。
Yeah, 工作的
工作的说。
Yeah, we'll give you exercise for that said. Everything else sounds very good.
Yeah, please.
70% good now. Nothing to be worried about that or concerned. It's my responsibility. This is good.
我很怕。
你很怕。Yeah, 没问题 like no problem. Okay, just read after me. Okay. 我说你说可不可以？
可不可以？
明不明白？
明不明白？
你明白吗？
你明白吗？
听不懂。
听不懂。
Yeah, very good. Yeah, so we work with dates also, very important, and you can see them written everywhere, so you can practice in China now. 1月1号。
Yeah.
今天 and then I also told myself to write understand, because you can see the similarities between to understand and heavy, no?
动 and 重。
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, I always think about dong like it looks like a confused person.
This guy.
Yeah, he's like he doesn't know what's going on.
很好，很好。Okay. 所以你明白吗？ You can just read.
所以你明白吗？
Nice. 各个白天 What does 白天 mean? 白天什么意思？
白天
什么意思？白天？
什么意思？白天 by is white day.
White
白
day.
天
So it's day,
bright day.
daytime.
Daytime.
So he does his homework during the daytime. 各个白天做作业。Quickly here.
白天说
Could you flip 各个 and 白天? Could you change positions?
白天各个 yeah.
Why?
It still makes sense, I suppose. 白天各个 Well, my reason would be because it's just stating facts about what is going to be said later. It doesn't really matter what order it comes in.
Yeah. The time and the place can all be in the beginning. And the noun should also, or the person doing it should also be there somewhere. Chinese is very flexible. Yeah. Like 90% of the time, you can just answer me with Chinese is flexible. I don't care. Now, this is like Cantonese. I think you learned that. 我很中意那个妹妹。
我很中意那个妹妹。
那个。
那个。
It sounded like you said 你的。
那个。
Wait.
我很钟爱那个妹妹。
Now you said 那个 yeah.
那个。
中意。
中意。
It's the E from 意思。
Yes. Oh, I thought it was I. Middle
of your interest. So I think this is a very beautiful word. 中 would later also mean like to hit something, like bullseye. So you nail it, you hit it in your interest. Hit your interest.
Okay.
Okay. But don't say this. 不要说, don't say 不要说这个中译 with your Chinese friends. Now at least, because they'll think, oh, you're not learning the right Chinese. They'll say you need 实话, which is correct.
All right. Yeah.
This is just an extra thing, so to help you understand the E as well. Okay, 中医 to means that. Good. Let's move on to weekdays. This is the last one today. How do you count weekdays? Yeah. And this, you know this already. How do you make languages? Adding a one. Very, very good. Thank you for examples. By the way, try to remember to give examples. Sometimes you just write the explanation, but then you don't give the example. It's like you're halfway there, but you skip the rest. This was good though. When do you use 对 and when do you use 是? I'll just tell you. First of all, 对 and 是 can mean the same thing. So just like this. 是, okay? So they mean the same thing, like correct. It should be straightforward that. But then, secondly, 是 can also mean to be. And that's the only difference.
Okay.
So like, I am Tim. 我是 Tim. Okay. You wrote like, she is to confirm a state like hungry or good. Yeah. So you can just say 是 to answer like, yes, correct. But then I wanted also, I'll maybe rephrase this question. Rephrase question. For me, it's important that you understand that they can mean both the same thing, correct?
Yeah.
It can also mean a few other things. So if I ask you like, 你饿吗? And you want to answer with correct, how do you say it?
是
Very nice. Now, when you say 是 yeah, you can say 对, you can say 是. You can also answer with just saying, yeah, I'm just
Okay.
If you say,
okay, but I can use 对 as well. Yeah.
Yeah, because they mean correct. Yeah, correct. Or you can answer with the right question, with the original question. If you, however, I think you said something like 是 Now it's important that you say, then you can say yes, I'm hungry. So then it would be like 是 or maybe 很饿, maybe you can say. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yes, very hungry. But the short is just 饿 or 是 or 对. And try to say these many, many times, especially the 对. Whenever you're talking to someone, you can just say 对对对对对对对对对对对对对对. Later on, if you think it gets boring, you can add the you know, 对啊是啊
对啊是啊.
Or like, yeah, of course I'm hungry. I don't like that too much.
That's when I get real pro, when I can add the
everywhere. Yeah, the E and the
I just did.
This will make you sound very 中国人. Okay, so we have 叉子中文没有. I'm going to remove this, by the way. 星期, very nice. Let's read this. 今天是什么日期?
今天是什么日期?
Yeah, this 日 is always difficult. Or like record. Record this 日 for you, but it's not very common. 日期.
日期.
Yeah, sounds very good. 日期. Okay, 一个星期. Very good.
一个星期。
一个星期。今天是星期三。
今天是我是星期三。
Wait. First of all,
星
can you say today?
今天。
Yeah, good. So many Swedish people, we don't say J, so it would be like it would turn into 阴天, but you said
今天。
You can hear the difference, no?
Yeah.
Jin and yin, yeah.
It's like yao and jiao.
Yeah, exactly. Jiao and yao. Perfect. 今天是星期三。
星期三。
嗯。
今天是星期三。星期三。
Yeah. So what day is it today then? 今天是星期。
今天是星期一。
星期一。Very good.
星期一。
星期一。
今天是星期一。今天星期。
And then what about tomorrow?
星期一。明天是星期二。
星期二，很好。
星期二。
很好。Okay, so maybe this is confusing. I'll change this one. The funny thing here is if you say, it should be just like 不用谢. We should write that instead. 不用谢.
不用谢.
这个什么意思？不用谢。
不明白。
不用 means no need.
No need. Thank you.
Yeah, so no need thank me. So you're welcome. Now, this is the best for now. 不用谢. That's perfect. I know you've learned 不客气. Okay? But I'm going to go ahead and say that please don't use 客气 anymore. Please use 不用谢.
不用谢. You got it. 不用谢.
不用谢. 不用谢.
不用谢.
Now, 谢, at the same time, we also taught you this 谢. So this is with a third tone, and this is with a fourth tone. So if it's 谢, 谢什么意思？这个谢什么意思？
Oh, I thought that was sloppy. I thought it was the ma. You don't write, I suppose.
I see. But we'll change this anyways. 谢.
Yeah. I can be sloppy sometimes. I'm not sure if you know this, but especially if I'm in a rush.
That's completely fine. Then it's good. It's good. It makes me understand what characters are easily confused with what characters. Well, good for me to understand also, get an insight. Okay. So from now on, we cannot just say 用中文, or like how do you say it in Chinese? How do you say ice cream in Chinese? 怎么说? How do you say this?
什么时候 ice cream 用中文?
Tim, that was incredibly impressive. It was very good. You said it very fast as well. Honestly. So that's the first one. But then we also can say, how do you write this in Chinese? How do you write ice cream?
什么是
Yeah.
ice cream 中文? 什么是
So 用中文 using Chinese. 用中文.
用中文.
Yeah, nice.
什么是 ice cream 用中文?
Yeah, nice.
什么是
怎么说?
怎么写?
怎么做? Okay. 怎么写? 怎么说? Now, the last one would be like a very, very common one as well, which you can start using a lot. It's 怎么做? How do you do this?
怎么说?
Now, yeah, you can just, when you feel comfortable, you can just say 怎么写这个? 怎么说这个？怎么做这个？ That makes sense, no?
Yeah.
怎么写这个？
How do I write this? How do I say this? How do I do this?
Yeah, perfect. Yeah. Oh yeah, so we have the 没关系 now. That's very, very good. 没关系. You know the word 关系 already, maybe.
Yeah.
So important in business.
我有很好关系。
Nice. Now, 我有 I have very good 关系, yeah?
Yeah.
So 我有很好的关系. Does that make sense?
Yes.
The.
Because it connects to the Guangxi.
Yeah. Exactly.
Right.
You first, like an hour ago, it was hard and we learned it for the first time, and now you're getting it. Very, very nice. Getting it very fast.
我有很好的关系。
You can also say I have very good friends. How do you say I have very good friends? Oh, sorry.
我有很好的朋友。
Nice. And now that I feel like we've waited a little bit, I want to write 我有, and now you tell me what this means. 我有很多很好的朋友.
I have let me think a bit. 我有很多很好. I have a lot of good friends.
I have,
Last one.
yes, but it's 很好, which would be very good friends.
Very good friends. But 很多, is that a lot? 很多.
I have a lot very good friends.
I have a lot of very good friends.
Very nice. So I just put 很 twice in the sentence to confuse you, but you got it.
我有很多. Yeah. Yeah, that is confusing.
You can ignore it if it's confusing. But I think it was a good test. You got it. Okay. Now say after me. 我的英文名字是小狗。
我的英文名字是小狗。小狗。
妈妈是对的。
妈妈是对的。
This is teach. This is like what to do here. This is a new expression, but yeah. Don't teach. Delete. You can say 是对的, like you are correct. 你是对的, literally you are correct. 你是对的. Teach.
你是对的。
If you have correct, that might be counterintuitive because I told you to remove the 是. But this is just an expression. 你是对的, you are correct.
Yeah, 你是对的。
你是对的. I'll write that down as a little word and also pop up in your flashcards soon.
Yeah.
By the way, the flashcards, many are missing entries or translations. Also, I'm fixing them right now. I'm going through the whole course.
Yeah. I noticed that. Yeah.
Thank you. Just be patient. Thank you. Okay, this is interesting. 哥哥的英文不好。
哥哥的英文不好。
Nice. Yeah, you know the translation. In brother's English, not good. Okay, this is interesting now because this is like a new little thing here. We've been able to go a long way without a grammar point, but this is one small one. 弟弟在写字。
Sorry, I zoomed out for a little bit there. Say it again.
This is like the last word also in this lesson, and it's a tiny grammar point. 弟弟在写字。
弟弟在写字。
Yeah, and what does it mean? Yeah, your younger brother writes, right? But
yeah.
Correct. But the Zai, what does the Zai mean?
It's position or something you're doing, right?
Yes. So what do you think it is here?
That he's typing, maybe. That is
Writing.
That is doing something.
It's writing, right?
It's writing.
So it's
Okay.
ongoing. It's right now.
Okay, so it's active.
Yeah, active.
Say.
So, yeah. So active.
Okay.
Very important. Okay. You don't need to write it every time, but it's good. It's good that you know that you can put a Zai there as well. Nice.
Zai. Zai 写
在写字。
在写字。是吧？
Nice. I think, yeah, that's it. There's one more thing, which is, oh no, I'll go through that in the next session. I'll just write, next lesson, go through 什么 plus noun. Like, I'll just tell you what we'll do in the beginning. 你叫什么? Be like, what's your name? But if you want to put a noun at the end, you put the noun, or if you put a noun there, then you put the noun at the very end after the 什么. Just like 什么名字, or like 什么人, what person, or 什么字, what character. That's very, yeah. So you can maybe say, next time you can say like, what is this character? How do you say that, you think?
这个什么？这个是can you say 这个是什么？这个是什么？
这个是什么？
这个是什么是？
字。
Can you say this character is what, or is it this is what character?
Oh yeah, you can say 这个字是什么? What character is this?
这个字是什么?
But I wanted to say 这
Can
个
you say
I want you to say this.
这个是什么字? 这个是什么字?
So it's 什么 and then it's 字.
什么字?
什么字?
一个是什么字?
这个
Alright.
This is why I wanted to go through this. It's very useful. It's a grammar point, and it also helps you with it.
这个是什么字?
这个是
Yeah, that's a good one to practice.
这个是什么字? Nice.
是什么字?
I will record these ones, and so you can listen to them as well, especially the 字 and the 是 and the 知. Yeah. Perfect.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Very, very good. So, yeah, next lesson we'll go through chapter 5. Yeah, it was necessary to go through it slowly, and there was a lot of things that I wanted to go through as well. I hope you appreciate it.
Yeah, I do. It was a very good lesson. I'm packed with information. I'll try to contain it.
Yeah, the idea, I'm scared. I feel like, oh, I've taught you something now, and now you'll learn that. You'll remember it. But no, that's not how it works. So I want to make sure that I don't teach you too much. And everything that I teach, I try to repeat into the lesson.
Yeah.
As much as I...
that's perfect.
Well, that's just what I think that I do. I'm not sure that I do it, though. Okay, so what I'll do is, for now, if you're interested, I'll just share this Dropbox with you, and then you can just go in and be like, oh, okay, so this is what Felix wrote down, if it helps you in any way. In addition...
Yeah.
Go on.
Sorry for interrupting. Yeah, it does. Like, if I start doing other lessons and I want to go back to something that we talked about and you took the notes for, or wrote examples for, it would be good to just be able to go back.
Nice. Nice. And then, but I'll also make exercises for you. I'll stop sharing now, and I will also stop the